Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for joining me on another episode of Prime Math Zoom. Today, we will be focusing on finding the area. So let's dive right in. What does area mean? Let's think about it. Well, let's take a picture frame hanging on a wall, for instance. If you want to know how much area it is taking up, you can trace out the frame and color the part that was once covered. Like this picture frame here. In order to find the area that this is taken up, we could also remove it and draw up a grid. So in order to find out this area, we could count the squares on the grid, for example. So let's go and see what area that picture frame took up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So we could say that this took up an area of 48 squared units. So this length here, as we counted, is 8 centimeters wide. And this is 6 centimeters long. So while we could count them 1, 2, 3, all the way to 48 squared centimeters, we can also multiply the length by the width. And that's because it's a rectangle. So if we multiply 8 centimeters by 6 centimeters, we'll end up with an area of 48 centimeters squared, or 48 squared centimeters. Now, from that demonstration, we can say that area is the amount of space that an object takes up. Area is measured in squared units. So it could be meters, centimeters, kilometers, millimeters, whatever unit it is, we have to do it in squared units. Different shapes have the same area. Have you thought of that? Well, yes, it's true. Like these. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the area for this shape is 8 squared units. We have this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we have some others here, some half, and on this side, half. But did you know that 2 of these halves of the same size can form a square, which is one whole? Let's look at that. So here we have a triangle, and we have another triangle. They're the same sizes. One is half squared meter, and one is half squared meter, or half squared unit and half squared unit. And if you notice that they both would have formed a complete square. So let us go back here and see if we can get the same as these others. So let's go again, because this half and this half will now form one of the square. This other half and this other half would have formed one of this square. So let us count and check again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half and half, 7, half and half, 8. So yes, area can be represented in different shapes and they still have the same squared units. So all of these different shapes has an area of 8 squared units. Now let's find the area in an actual situation. Natty tiled his kitchen floor. Each tile is 1 squared meter. What is the area of the kitchen floor? Here is the kitchen floor. And from what we have learned, we know that we could go right ahead and count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24. So we could go right ahead and say this is 24 squared units. Now we don't know the units yet, but here it says we could count the squares. And if we count up top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And at the side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could count the squares, and we counted and we got 24 squared units. But we could also multiply 6 by 4. And in multiply that, we also got 24 squared units. So here we have the unit being meters, and it says that the area is 24 squared meters. Let's look at another situation. Rory is planning to paint the wall above his bed. What is the area to be painted? Let's think about it. Now, here is the wall that Rory needs to paint that is above his bed. Here we can see that the width of the wall is 7 meters and the length of the wall is 4 meters. So let us think about this. How could we find the area? Yes, we could say 7 meters multiplied by 4 meters, and that would give us an area of 28 squared meters. Or we could have done this. We could have made even squares on the wall. So we could have created a grid with even squares or same size squares to see what the area is. Let's check to see if we'll still get 24 squared meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Yes, we got 28 squared meters. So here we could say that the area that Rory will need to paint is 28 squared meters. Right, so those are some real life examples as to where and when and how we can use area. So thank you for joining us on this other episode. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.